Hi Tahir,
Hi, Nirali. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. Thank you so much. I
Yeah,
just heard you say that you're very glad that I'm working in Bollywood. Thank you.
yeah. Like you are one of the finest actors, and there's no denying that.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So, firstly, welcome to BollywoodLife.com. It's a pleasure to have you here.
Thanks so much. Pleasure to be
Yeah,
here.
yeah. So, tell me, what kind of activities have you taken up to keep, yourself busy, in this lockdown?
For sure, निराली पहले के 3 दिन जो थे वो तो मतलब
Hmm.
एकदम इतने इतने जल्दी से निकले because everyone was really okay with the
Yeah.
fact that finally you've got some free
Hmm.
time and you're not at work or you're not on set. But after that, things started to get a little hard, and especially now
Hmm.
with the extension. But one of the things that really keeps me going when I read about it is that only if everyone follows the lockdown rules and we stay indoors is the whole problem
Right.
going to get better. So we're doing this not only to keep ourselves safe,
Hmm.
but everyone else safe.
Yeah.
And I think it's really important to stay positive and productive during this time and try and catch up on things जिसके लिए
Hmm.
पहले कभी टाइम नहीं रहा करता था. So
Right.
रीडिंग इज समथिंग जो
Hmm.
मेरा अटेंशन स्पैन इतना कम होते गया है बिकॉज ऑफ सोशल
Hmm.
मीडिया एंड कॉन्स्टेंटली बीइंग आउटडोर्स शूटिंग. तो
Hmm.
अभी वो टाइम है कि फोन को थोड़ा 1 घंटे के लिए साइड में रख के वन कैन रीड अ लिटिल बिट.
Yeah.
The other thing that I've tried very unsuccessfully, but I've tried cooking
Yeah.
a little bit.
Yeah.
तो इतना तो सक्सेसफुल नहीं रहा है कुकिंग. अभी भी मैं थोड़े सैंडविचेस पर जी रहा हूँ.
Yeah.
पर it's been fun because all of a sudden you start to appreciate the people who used to be in your life before this. Like
Right.
घर पे खाना बनाने वाले आती थी. बट वो
Hmm.
कितनी कितनी आम बात हुआ करती थी कि हाँ वो आ जाएगी, वो तो अपना काम
Yeah.
कर जाएगी. पर आई थिंक अब
Hmm.
जब वो आएगी तो इट विल ऑलवेज बी लाइक मतलब कोई फैमिली मेंबर वापस आया है बड़े दिनों बाद.
आया है, right.
या
Yeah. Hmm. So tell me, are you kind of missing work, like going to sets and working?
I'm really missing it. I'm
Yeah.
missing the buzz on set. I'm
Hmm.
missing rehearsals with other actors and with directors.
Yeah.
And again, it's something like I've been shooting. I was shooting for 83 before this, and before that
Hmm.
there was Chichore. So almost
Right.
for a year constantly I've been on set, and
Yeah.
both these have been very high energy projects. So
Absolutely.
when you're used to that, and then all of a sudden you're sitting by yourself, it's
Hmm.
a little bit of a come down. But again,
Hmm.
like I was saying in the beginning, it's a very
Yeah.
small price to pay for a very big
Great.
problem. And
Yeah.
if all of us just follow the government's rules and we stay indoors,
Hmm.
I'm sure that things are definitely going to get better in the future.
Yeah. And as you just mentioned, you are missing work and trying to go back on the sets. So what is the
Yeah.
first thing that you really want to do after this lockdown ends?
I didn't catch that last question.
Yeah, so what is the first thing that you really want to do? मतलब ये जब लॉकडाउन खत्म होने के बाद.
I want to. The first thing I'll do is I will get to set the entire team. We will all
Yeah.
get together and we'll say, "देखो ये वाला shot हम थोड़ी देर में लेंगे, but let's first everyone sit down and let's have a cup of tea together, and let's just
Yeah.
celebrate the fact that we are now back. We have
Hmm.
got whatever will be the new normal, and let's appreciate the fact that as human beings we're getting together and creating
Hmm.
something." आई थिंक
Yeah, right.
एवरीडे लाइफ में इतना टेक फॉर ग्रांटेड करते हैं कि हाँ यार 200 लोग एक साथ मिलेंगे, एक सीन शूट
Hmm.
करेंगे एंड पिक्चर
Hmm.
बन जाएगी. बट एक
Hmm.
वो मामूली चीजों के लिए अप्रिसिएशन जो है ना, ऑल ऑफ अ सडन वो
Hmm.
बढ़ गया है. सो आई वुड रियली वांट टू
Right.
टेक अ मोमेंट विद द एंटायर क्रू,
Hmm.
thank all of them for being there, and tell them to be very appreciative of the fact that we've all survived.
Yeah, that's thoughtful indeed.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So, your last film being Chichore, it was a massive hit. Like,
Yes.
apart from being, like it working well at the box office, people could relate to it on so many levels. Like, personally, they could relate to, especially
Yeah.
students out there. So, I
Yeah.
wanted to ask you that how well could you connect with your character and as a film in general?
Uh, I connected with it a lot because I was a very in school I was a backbencher. I was like I would
Hmm.
say an above average student. ऐसा नहीं था कि I was a
Yeah.
topper. And so I think
Hmm.
everyone who has gone through academic life
Hmm.
and faced some kind of competition
Hmm.
has always
Hmm.
had people tell them that oh you're not good enough, या अगर
Hmm.
तुम मतलब एक चीज में अच्छे नहीं हो, चाहे वो
Hmm.
स्पोर्ट्स हो या पढ़ाई हो या कुछ भी हो, तो तुम्हारा लाइफ में कुछ नहीं होगा. So I think what was great about it when I read it is that it teaches you that it's never too late. मतलब अगर तुम अपने आप से हार ना
Hmm.
मानो, then you can achieve anything. And that was a
Hmm.
message that stayed with a lot of people. और बहुत कम ऐसा मौका मिलता है where you work on a project
Hmm.
where it appeals to you, it
Hmm.
leaves the audience with a good
Hmm.
message, and box office पर भी चल जाए.
Right.
So it was exciting
Hmm.
to be a part of that.
Hmm.
And Derek was for
Yeah.
me was very special because uh, you know he when you meet him in the beginning of the film you think that
Yeah.
ये तो गुंडा होगा कॉलेज का पर फिर अल्टीमेटली
Hmm.
वो थोड़ा इमोशनल हो जाता है ये अपने दोस्तों के बारे में इमोशनल
Hmm.
था and he had a very soft side to him so as a character it was great to be able to
Hmm.
play a guy who was macho on the outside he
Hmm.
was very sporty but वो अपने दोस्तों के बारे में सेंटी भी था तो एक सॉफ्ट कॉर्नर था उसके लाइफ में
Right. And also, if correct me if I'm wrong, you are a non-smoker in real life, but I suppose I read somewhere that you had to smoke about 200 cigarettes for the film. So,
yes that's right
yeah,
yeah
yeah. So how how difficult is it for you to take up something which is like contrast drastically different as compared to your real life? मतलब आप जो real में नहीं करते जब
For
आपको
sure.
on screen
So
करना पड़ता है.
it's a very basic thing. Like if you're a non-smoker ना, तो वो जब आप
Hmm.
सिगरेट का धुआं मुंह में लेते हैं, तो उसके साथ
Hmm.
बात करने में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है. तो to
Hmm.
practice saying your dialogues along with the smoke, I had to smoke a lot of those cigarettes to get
Hmm.
into character. But one very
Hmm.
important thing I'd like to tell people is that you shouldn't watch a
Yeah.
film or a character and start smoking. I smoked. In fact, I have a packet right here. They're green tea cigarettes. If you see, it says
Hmm.
green tea over there. So
Yeah.
these are special cigarettes that are made for
Hmm.
actors, where the smoke looks like it's a
Hmm.
real cigarette, but I'm not smoking tobacco. And so it
Hmm.
was great because I don't have a dependency on smoking cigarettes, but at the same time,
Hmm.
it made Derek look a little more like he
Hmm.
was in character.
Yeah, right. And now, right from Mardani, where you played a villain, like an antagonist, to your last film, Chichore, the roles that you
Yeah,
have played have been pretty, unconventional. But I want to
yeah.
ask you, like, are you looking forward to, play something like a typical commercial hero, वो romantic जिसे बोलते हैं?
Sure. I think आजकल जिस तरह की पिक्चरें चल रही हैं, both in terms of the
Hmm.
way the audience what they are liking. Top of mind the films that I've worked recently is like a film like Stree or a film like Andhadhun. These are all today being offbeat and being different is sort of in fashion. So it's a
Hmm.
very great time to be an actor who's into exploring
Hmm.
different parts. Having said that, the
Right.
transition from Mardani to Chichore was a very big one for me because
Hmm.
when you're playing this, when you have this image of being a bad boy, and then you go
Hmm.
to being like this emotional guy जो end में race
Yeah.
जीतेगा और फिर वो रोने लगेगा. So
Hmm.
it was a challenge for me to get the audience to accept the fact that this guy can be emotional as well. So and
Hmm.
it's been great because studios and directors have now started looking at me
Hmm.
as an actor who can do both good and
Hmm.
a more
Hmm.
positive
Yeah.
protagonist. और ये
Yeah.
बहुत एक फनी सी चीज है बिकॉज एज एन एक्टर व्हेन यू
Yeah.
लुक एट द स्क्रिप्ट आप उसको कभी इस तरह नहीं देखते कि यार मैं
Hmm.
एक बैड गाय हूं या मैं एक गुड गाय हूं यू आर जस्ट डूइंग
Hmm.
व्हाट द डायरेक्टर हैज रिटन but I'm
Hmm.
very excited about Loop Lapeta, which is the
Yeah.
next film that I'll be starting after the lockdown with Tapsi.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
it's different. It's not your
Hmm.
regular film, but he is in a romantic relationship with Tapsi's
Yeah.
character, and I'm excited
Hmm.
about that.
Yeah. That's great. We will see you in a new avatar, indeed.
Yes.
Yeah. That's but however, you kind of do you regret कि आपका जो debut था बॉलीवुड में वो ऐसा कमर्शियल नहीं था like people have this dream कि मुझे चाहिए तो grand launch चाहिए like मुझे
Right.
romantic hero की तरह launch होना है so do you kind of
Right.
regret that somewhere?
No, not at all. I really feel life is too
Yeah.
short for regrets. मेरा जो debut हुआ था वो
Hmm.
यशराज फिल्म्स के साथ हुआ था. After the film, they signed me on. They've got a
Hmm.
handful of actors at
Hmm.
YRF Talent. They've got Ranveer, they've
Hmm.
got Ayushman, they've got Arjun.
Hmm.
And I'm very lucky to get a first film with a banner like that. एंड
Hmm.
बड़ा लॉन्च तो लॉन्च के बाद क्या करे इंसान उससे भी बहुत फर्क पड़ता है ना तो आई थिंक
Right.
वो कहते हैं ना लंबे रेस के घोड़े तो
हाँ.
मेरी सोच जो है हमेशा कुछ वैसे रही है एंड आई रियली फील
Hmm.
लाइक इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट that one film that starts you off. It's about the 5 or 6 or 7 that you do after that. and how the
Hmm.
audience reacts to you.
Hmm. Yeah. So, one of your fans has just sent in a compliment for you that you should play the professor from Money Heist, the
Oh
Netflix film.
wow, that's an amazing compliment because I watched Money Heist and I really like that series. And yes, the professor, he or she is absolutely right. The professor would be my pick because I
Hmm.
feel like it's such a great character. He's gray, he has an
Yeah.
emotional bond with all the other characters, but
Hmm.
at the same time he does certain things. I don't want to give spoilers to people who haven't seen it, but you should
Yeah.
definitely check out Money Heist. It's one of the things that has helped me survive
Hmm.
this lockdown.
Right. That's great. That's great. And like out of all the films that you have done till now, which one do you consider as a turning point of your career?
Um, I would say just because it was my first film, Mardani will always be very special to me. It was very
Hmm.
challenging to start off playing
Hmm.
this bad boy and
Hmm.
trying to pull it off. And it was a turning point in
Hmm.
my life
Hmm.
because it just all of a sudden I went from like someone who was very new in this city and was aspiring to
Hmm.
get work
Hmm.
to this person who would now
Hmm.
get calls with work being
Hmm.
offered to him. So that was a very fortunate position to be in. But turning
Yeah.
point, a big turning point would also be Chichore and Derek because of
Hmm.
the box office success and
Yeah.
from going from bad guy to all of a
Hmm.
sudden this good hero like character was amazing.
Right. Yeah. So one of your fans called Anushri has sent in a question. She wants to know that can you please share your favorite scene from 83?
Hi, Anushri. Thanks for the question. Unfortunately, if my director is watching this or my producers are watching this and I give out scenes before the film releases, वो
Hmm.
मेरे को बहुत गुस्सा करेंगे. But I can give you my favorite scene from Chichore if
Hmm.
that's okay with you as a compromise. I really like Derek's introduction and when he meets Ani for the first time, and it's such a small line, but
Hmm.
it says so much about his character. He says, "खाने के बाद दारू
Hmm.
पीता है." And it was
Yeah.
very cool the way it was written and the way it was shot and executed.
Hmm. Yeah. Someone wants to know your working experience with Rani ma'am in Mardani.
Thank you, someone, for asking the question. With Rani ma'am, it was see because she has such a body of work, and when I met with her
Yeah.
for the first time, thoda intimidation to tha.
Hmm.
I'm working with a superstar, and I've grown up watching her. But she was
Hmm.
incredibly professional. She made me feel so comfortable on set. She treated me like an
Hmm.
absolute equal co-star, and I was very
Hmm.
fortunate because when you're
Hmm.
playing opposite someone ना आपका गेम उतना ही अच्छा होगा
Yeah.
जैसे मतलब जितना अच्छा आपका को-एक्टर हो. And when you're playing with
Hmm.
such a legend herself, it
Hmm.
just made me look that much better. So it was amazing.
Yeah. Yeah. And now, talking about 83, वो movie last week release होने वाला था, but it couldn't because of the unfortunate situation that we are in. But,
जी,
are you kind of feeling bad or disappointed for the fact that कि लोगों को और थोड़ा इंतजार करना पड़ेगा for a movie like that, which is one of the
yeah.
highly anticipated films?
Yeah, I think it would be a very सेल्फिश वे ऑफ थिंकिंग कि यार पिक्चर रुक गई क्योंकि
Hmm.
ये मतलब सिर्फ हमारी फिल्म नहीं रुकी है और या सिर्फ हमारी
Hmm.
इंडस्ट्री नहीं रुकी है पूरी दुनिया जो है इस वक्त पॉज पर है अगर देखा जाए तो एंड आई थिंक दैट 83
Right.
इज सच अ इट्स गोइंग टू बी सच अ फैबुलस थिएटर एक्सपीरियंस that it will
Hmm.
bring people back into the theater and that's what
Hmm.
will be great about it and it's a timeless concept ये ऐसा concept तो है नहीं कि लोगों को
Hmm.
याद नहीं रहेगा या people won't know what is
Hmm.
83 about. सो I'm pretty
Hmm.
sure चाहे ये अगले हफ्ते रिलीज हो या
Hmm.
अगले महीने रिलीज हो
Hmm.
लोग तब
Hmm.
भी इसको देखेंगे और लाइक करेंगे.
Yeah. So how are you confident about this project in particular? 83 को लेकर.
It's cricket and it's the World Cup and it's
Hmm.
a very interesting take on what happened
Hmm.
during the World Cup and
Hmm.
cricket and India, like you can't go wrong with
Yeah.
that concept and साथ में
Hmm.
like the kind of actors that you've got. Of course you've got Ranveer playing Kapil, but you've got Pankaj Tripathi
Hmm.
who's playing the coach. You've got Saqib Salim, you've got
Hmm.
Jatin Sarna. And so it's got
Hmm.
an amazing bunch of actors. You got Chirag Patil, Adinath Kothare from the Marathi film industry. So,
Hmm.
and they're people from all over India. You've got Jiva, who's
Hmm.
huge in the south. Hadi Sandhu, Amy Virk
Hmm.
from the north. तो मतलब
Yeah.
हिंदुस्तान का कोई कोना नहीं छोड़ा हुआ इस फिल्म
Hmm.
के makers ने. So it's
Hmm.
definitely like set out to be an awesome project.
Yeah. So, a girl called Sushrita has asked, how are you feeling that your birthday is approaching, but lockdown is there? So, please share your feeling.
Hi, Sushrita. Thank you for remembering. It is
Hmm.
on Tuesday, the 21st, and
Hmm.
yeah, a part of me is a little like sulking कि यार मैं तो हर साल party किया करता था, but इस साल
Hmm.
I think video call पर ही निकलेगा मेरा birthday because that's
Hmm.
what I'm doing. My plan is that I have lined up video calls with all of my friends and with my
Hmm.
family, and I'll be chatting with them on my birthday.
Yeah.
Also, as actors, we have a very strict diet, but birthday एक ऐसा दिन
Hmm.
होता है जब आप cheat करके केक खा सकते हैं.
Right.
So I'm definitely going to have like I live with a
Hmm.
cousin and he's going to bake a cake.
Hmm. Hmm.
And mangoes. I have decided
Yeah.
I will buy and eat the first mango of the season to celebrate my birthday because it's my favorite fruit.
Fruit. Likewise.
Yeah.
Yeah. So coming back to 83, I wanted to know what was your first reaction when, Kabir Khan approached you to play the role of Sunil Gavaskar, sir.
I was I was so humbled because to play a
Hmm.
living legend is it's
Hmm.
such an honor. I wasn't born in '83, but my
Hmm.
dad was, and
Hmm.
बड़े होते हुए जब भी कोई क्रिकेट मैच आता था या वर्ल्ड कप चलता था, वो ये
Hmm.
1983 वर्ल्ड कप की फुटेज हमेशा चला करती थी.
Hmm.
So it's one of those
Hmm.
things where you have the memory in you. And when I found out that they were going to go and shoot,
Hmm.
I was
Hmm.
extremely excited, and
Hmm.
but also I have to say in the same breath कि
Hmm.
it was very challenging. मतलब जितनी physical तैयारी उस फिल्म के लिए करनी पड़ी मेरे ख्याल और किसी
Hmm.
फिल्म के लिए नहीं करी मैंने अब तक. Because 6 महीने का क्रिकेट कैंप लगा था एक नेशनल कोच के साथ, and we all had to
Yeah.
learn to play cricket exactly like our characters, and so it was
Hmm.
definitely very challenging.
Yeah. Did Sunil sir himself help you like with some inputs from his experience?
he it was very intimidating. सोचो आप किसी लेजेंडरी कैरेक्टर की का
Yeah.
रोल प्ले करने वाले हो और वो खुद सेट पे आ जाएं
Hmm.
जिस दिन आप शूट कर रहे हो, तो मतलब
हाँ.
मतलब बहुत डरा हुआ था मैं जिस दिन वो सेट पर आए थे.
Hmm.
मैंने तो कबीर
Hmm.
सर को बोला हुआ था, सर मतलब प्लीज एक्टिंग मत करवाना इनके सामने. तो सर ने
Hmm.
बोला ठीक है, आई विल लाइक वी weren't rolling at that point, so
Yeah.
Gavaskar sir took me to the side and he saw me play a couple of
Hmm.
strokes. He saw me take my
Hmm.
stance and walk like him.
Hmm.
And one bit
Hmm.
of advice that he gave me that I will always
Yeah.
remember.
Hmm.
Sunil Gavaskar sir used to open for India. He was the opening batsman, and he was
Right.
very famous for the kind of swag that he had when he would walk onto the field. So I asked
Hmm.
him, sir, that walk because I'm trying to get the walk right. So what was the reason behind the walk? So he said, look, it's very
Hmm.
simple. I was the opening batsman for India, and I had to
Hmm.
exude confidence when I walked on to the field
Hmm.
because the West
Hmm.
Indies players who were like 6'2", 6'3", looked so much bigger.
Hmm.
And so I just had to walk big. And I think that was such an
Yeah.
important lesson from a sports champion
Hmm.
to say that how you
Hmm.
carry yourself in life makes all the
Hmm.
difference to how
Hmm.
people perceive you.
Yeah. And the film has a big ensemble cast with some of the most talented actors and some real life players as well, like son of legendary cricketers. So I want to know like मतलब set पे माहौल कैसा होता था? इतने सारे लोग. How would you guys chill like?
व्हेन वी वुड मतलब सब क्रिकेट के दीवाने थे. तो
हाँ.
मतलब सेट पे भी क्रिकेट होता था, ऑफ ऑफ स्क्रीन भी होता था. तो सन ऑफ अ लेजेंडरी क्रिकेटर थे चिराग पाटिल जी, जो मतलब
हम्म.
काफी मजाकिया थे. ही एंड
हम्म.
आई वी यूज्ड टू गो एक्सप्लोरिंग डिफरेंट सिटीज टुगेदर. वी
Yeah.
यूज्ड टू
हम्म.
hang around in cafes together, and it was just
हम्म.
we were encouraged by the production to live like a team.
हम्म.
So we used to travel together
हम्म.
everywhere. एक शहर से दूसरे शहर
हम्म.
जाना होता था तो हम यूरेल में बैठ के जाया करते थे.
हम्म.
हंसी मजाक होता था, गाने होते थे. इट वॉज रियली बाय द
हम्म.
एंड ऑफ इट मतलब शुरू किया तो वी फेल्ट लाइक हम 12 एक्टर्स हैं जो हिंदुस्तान के अलग अलग हिस्सों से आए हैं, बट बाय द टाइम द शूटिंग एंडेड
हम्म.
डेफिनेटली टीम
हम्म.
बॉन्डिंग हो गई थी. यू फेल्ट लाइक यार मतलब एक
हम्म.
साथ कुछ कर कर आए हैं हम.
Right. Right. Can you share like कुछ funny incident या कोई जो moment है जो आपके साथ हमेशा रहेगा when it comes to 83?
फनी इंसिडेंट नहीं, मैं एक इमोशनल इंसिडेंट बता सकता हूँ क्योंकि एक
हम्म.
फिल्म ऐसी थी जो मतलब इतनी एक हमारे हिस्ट्री में एक इम्पोर्टेंट इवेंट है कि व्हेन व्हेन वी वर shooting the moment when the World Cup Kapil Dev lifts the
हम्म.
World Cup trophy. We had
हम्म.
been training for about 6 months before that. We had been shooting for two and a
हम्म.
half months. So when that moment
हम्म.
actually happened, it
हम्म.
was it was like this. we almost felt like we had been through a tournament ourselves, and we understood what those players had to go through. So it was like, when
Hmm.
real life and real life combine into one,
Yeah.
it was that
Hmm.
kind of it was
Hmm.
a moment of pride and a very emotional moment.
Right. Yeah. So now a lot of your fans are asking कि आपका favorite Hollywood movie कौन सा है?
फेवरेट के बारे में मैं बात करने लगूं तो हम रात तक करेंगे ये लाइव, क्योंकि बहुत सारी हैं। पर मैं आपको
हाँ.
बता सकता हूँ, रिसेंटली मैंने एक फिल्म देखी है, वो है अनकट जेम्स, जो नेटफ्लिक्स पर है। बहुत ही
Hmm.
अमेजिंग फिल्म है, जिस जिस तरह बनाई गई है, एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई बीन
Hmm.
वाचिंग सो फार।
Hmm. Yeah. On that note, a girl called Riyanshi has asked, which is your favorite Hollywood movie that you want to do?
A favorite Hollywood film that I would want to do, yeah, I would
Yeah.
definitely. I love Robert Downey Jr.'s part in
Hmm.
Iron Man.
Yeah.
I think that's such a cool
Hmm.
superhero to play. The other one that I really liked was he won the Joaquin Phoenix. He won the Oscar for Best Actor for Joker. I thought that was an
Yeah.
incredibly made film. Another
Completely.
film that I really like is Ryan Gosling's film called Drive. I think that's an amazing
Hmm.
part.
Yeah.
Um, एंड नाइट क्रॉलर। देखो, आपने एक बोला, मैं पांच, चार या पांच तो बोल चुका हूँ।
पांच निकल गए. Right.
या या
Okay.
बट आई शुड
So
ऑल्सो
there's
नेम
one.
सम बॉलीवुड फिल्म। या हम ऐसे डिस्क्रिमिनेट क्यों कर रहे हैं? लाइक अ बॉलीवुड फिल्म
हाँ.
दैट आई रियली लाइक एंड वुड like, if a
Hmm.
film like that is ever done, is Shah Rukh
Hmm.
Khan in Kabhi Haan Kabhi Na. I think it was a
Hmm.
really really well made
Hmm.
film, and it was
Yeah.
one of his most amazing performances.
Absolutely true. And someone wants to know that कि कुछ अपने छिछोरे मतलब छिछोरे के जो स्टार कास्ट थे उनके बारे में कुछ बताएं आप.
अरे, छिछोरे के स्टारकास्ट के मतलब वो भी है, मतलब एक ऐसे अलग से फिल्म बन सकती है उन
हाँ.
छिछोरों के बारे में। इतनी
हम्म.
बॉन्डिंग हो गई थी उस फिल्म पे। हम अब भी,
हम्म.
हमारा एक व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप है, उसका नाम है छिछोरे, तो हमारी अभी भी
हम्म.
बात चलते रहती है कि क्या क्या हो रहा
हम्म.
है। आई रिमेम्बर एक मोमेंट है फिल्म में, जब
हम्म.
मम्मी कैरम के मैच के लिए जा रहा होता है, और हम सब एक
हम्म.
लाइन बना के स्लो मोशन में उसको सपोर्ट करने के लिए चल रहे होते हैं। पर
हम्म.
जिस दिन वो टेक हुआ, हम सबको लगा पता चलो मजाक करते हैं हम मम्मी के साथ, तो सब लाइन में खड़े हो गए,
हम्म.
एंड नितेश सर ने बोला, ओके रोल कैमरा स्टैंड बाय एंड एक्शन। हम
हम्म.
में से कोई भी नहीं चला, और सिर्फ मम्मी अकेले चलते हुए जा रहा था कैमरे की तरफ। तो उसको लगा था कि
हम्म.
मेरे पीछे सब चल रहे होंगे, पर कोई नहीं चल रहा था, हम सब
हम्म.
निकल गए थे वहां से। तो हम, मतलब
हम्म.
ऐसे छोटे छोटे, मतलब स्कूल में जैसे हरकतें करते थे ना, वैसे करते थे हम लोग
हाँ.
सेट पे। बड़ा मजा आता था
हम्म.
ऐसे। लगता था कि हम, इट यूज्ड टू फील लाइक वी आर लिविंग बैक इन हॉस्टल लाइफ।
Yeah. So, your fan Anushri wants to know what was your experience to see yourself on the big screen? Like, how do you feel when you see yourself on the big screen?
I'm very सेल्फ क्रिटिकल जैसे बोलते हैं। मैं हमेशा जब
हम्म.
फिल्म देखता हूँ तो मैं सोचते रहता हूँ कि मे बी आई कुड हैव डन दिस डिफरेंटली और डन दैट डिफरेंटली। तो
Yeah.
आई थिंक जब एक या दो बार मैंने फिल्म देख के अपने सारे प्रॉब्लम्स निकाल लिए होते हैं, देन आई
हम्म.
प्रोबेबली वॉच इट लाइक द
हम्म.
ऑडियंस। बट आई विल नेवर
हम्म.
फॉरगेट द फर्स्ट टाइम व्हेन
हम्म.
मर्दानी वाज स्क्रीन्ड, and I went to a theater and I watched it with my family. It was a moment of pride, because I had been acting since my age of 15,
हम्म.
and it was a very emotional moment. I remember my mom was like in tears
हम्म.
just to see it. I don't know whether she was in tears because I was playing a bad guy, like such a bad
Yeah.
guy. But when I
हम्म.
asked her, why are you in tears, and she
हम्म.
said, because I'm really happy and really proud.
Yeah. Someone wants to know, please say your family reaction on Mardani or Chichore, sorry.
Mardani, again, it was like pride, because when someone has been in Bombay, I had been giving a lot of auditions, and when they saw it,
Hmm.
it was just almost like,
Hmm.
for them, it was a dream come true. They came from Bombay,
Hmm.
they came from Delhi to Bombay, sorry, to watch the screening. And when
Yeah.
Chichore happened, I remember my family was in the theater and they were watching it. And when Derek wins that race, everyone like stood up and clapped as if I was actually running that race in that
Hmm.
moment, or such में tournament चल रहा था. So
Hmm.
it was great to be able to do something
Hmm.
where you involve your family to such an extent. And one thing I'd like to say about them, these are my parents and my brother,
Hmm.
is they are my biggest fans, but they're also my biggest critics. And it's
Hmm.
good to have people who will be honest with you to that extent.
Thank you so much, Sahil, for joining in. It was indeed a pleasure to have you here.
Thank you so much, Nirali.
Thank you so much. It was lovely chatting with you.
My pleasure.